guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Christmas is coming closer and closer and closer, and today we are opening door number 11 of our commemorative advent calendar. And well, we're still counting down the days until Christmas, and I'm really looking forward to this holiday. It's really my favorite. Number 11 is right here at Pocahontas, so I'm gonna open that up and I'm gonna get the coin out. And here we have the coin of the day. There it is. It's Rapunzel. And you can even see Pascal right there. Really cool pin. Like all the hair and that she's swinging away from it. That's so cool. Yeah, it's nice. Just looking at it for a second there. Anyway, sorry. The fun fact about Tangled. I'm actually gonna make it a fun fact about Frozen, because in the beginning of Frozen, where you have Frozen 1, that is, where you have the coronation, you can actually see Rapunzel and Flynn Rider joining the coronation. So be on the lookout for that one when next time you watch Frozen. Well, this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you guys tomorrow as well for another coin. And I hope you have a terrific day. I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys!